Glass and glazing for accessibility in educational facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we'll explore how glass and glazing can support accessibility requirements in schools and educational facilities. Note that individual states and local authorities may set standards more stringent than those in Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA guidelines. ADA is not a building code. It is a civil rights legislation that sets standards and guidelines for building accessibility for people with various physical handicaps. As a result, building owners are today seeking to upgrade existing properties and ensure compliance in new construction in order to avoid complaints and the possibility of costly litigation. Note that individual states and local authorities may set standards more stringent than ADA guidelines. In such cases, the local code should be followed, so please consult your specifier or local code officials for final ADA rulings. Here's a vestibule entry. The leaves in each pair on the left have a power assist operator on them. There is a labeled push pad on the wall to the side that signals the leaves to open and remain open long enough to allow somebody to safely get through. After the typical arrival and departure times at each school, these doors can be locked down and secured with EL locks. The operator on this projected window unit is designed to comply with ADA. It takes no twisting or grasping to open or close the unit. The operator rod can do is simply be rotated 180 degrees to unlatch and open the window, and then rotated back to close and latch the window. Proper selection of hardware allows architects to design schools with windows and entrances that combine both security and accessibility. Expanded glazing not only allows for more daylight and views, but also enhances safety and security. It is also strategically deployed to provide clear lines of sight across the 3 levels of security from all angles from the inside of the building. Clear lines of sight to the exterior from the interior are a critical component of school security and design. Today's schools need to ensure that staff and resource officers on the interior are able to easily see a wide range of the exterior through the interior. An expanded use of glazing on the exterior walls is a key component to creating clear lines of sight. Keep in mind that oftentimes observers of the exterior could be a wall or more to the interior. Because of that, many schools are extending glass to the interior walls and partitions and stair handrails to ensure that these do not interrupt the clear line of sight. Approaches to openings for clear lines of sight on buildings could be, as you see here, storefronts used as horizontal ribbon elevations, windows stacked together to create punched openings, or curtain wall to enclose entire exteriors of the building envelope. Regardless of what type school design is being built, expanded use of glazing is critical to ensure that clear lines of sight to the exterior are built into all the exterior elevations. So even if it's a single building or multiple facilities, all of them need to be designed and laid out so that all facilities have clear lines of sight to the exterior. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.